Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 4, Day 4. So we are going to start with some phonemic awareness. I'm going to say a word and we're going to break it apart. Splash, S-P-O-A-S-H. There are 5 sounds. Okay, let's do some more. Strap, S-T-R-A-P. 5 sounds. Split, S-P-O-I-T. 5 sounds. Thrown, th-r-o-n. 4 sounds. Scrap, s-k-r-a-p. 5 sounds. Spread, s-p-r-e-d. 5 sounds. Splash, s-p-o-a-sh. 5 sounds. Stripe, s-t-r-i-p. 5 sounds. And last one, scream, s-k-r-e-m. 5 sounds. Okay, now because this is our 4th day doing this, I am going to underline it and have you read it after 3 seconds. And we're going to kind of be moving a bit faster because this is our 4th day. 3, 2, 1, street. 3, 2, 1, strong. 3, 2, 1, thrill. 3, 2, 1, spring. 3, 2, 1, shrink. Now remember, INK says ink, so it wouldn't be shrink, it'd be shrink. 3, 2, 1, strike. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, thrown. 3, 2, 1, stripe. 3, 2, 1, scrub. 3, 2, 1, splash. Okay, so let's read this word, stir. Now we would want to say strange, but that doesn't make sense. So it would say a, strange. Now drop the j and change the strand with a d. So it becomes strand. Change the und to p, strap. Change the, oh, they do that twice. So let's add an E this time. So, well, that doesn't make sense either. We'll just do strap again. Okay, change the A to I, strip. Change the I to I blank E. So this is going to stay P, but we're going to add an E, which makes it say its name. 3, 2, 1, stripe. Keep the super E, but put a K instead of a P. 3, 2, 1, strike. Change the k to v. So keep the super E, but we're going to put v. So 3, 2, 1, strive. So if you're striving to do something, you're really trying. Change the stir to thir. Thrive. Drop the v. So get rid of this. And change the I to E. 3, 2, 1, 3. Add a T. Let's blend all the sounds and read the word. So this is 3. Now we're going to make this a sound. 3 and add a T at the end. So this is E, but we're going to say threat. Okay, now we're going to get rid of the T and make it a D. Thread. Change the EA to I. And then the D to, so add LL. Oh, thrill. Get rid of the thir and add shrill. Get rid of the I and put an S, so shred, and get rid of the L and put a D, shred. Okay, that was a little tricky. So today you'll be practicing your spelling words, either online and or on your paper. STR, STR, stir, stir, stir. SCR, SCR, skr, skr, skr. SPR, SPR, spur, spur, spur. SPL, SPL, spool, spool, spool. STR, STR, stir, stir, stir. Okay, let's read a story. A thrilling dance. Thrilling means it's really exciting. So here are some words we'll see. Eyes, one, sign, moves, they, push, what? A thrilling dance. You will not see a dragon before your eyes in real life, but you may see one at Chinese New Year. You may even see a dragon dance. People think the dragon is a sign of good luck. The dragon costume is made with bamboo strips, so pieces of bamboo, woven together to make a frame for the dragon. Then fabric is made from red thread. Scales are drawn on the fabric. So they draw those scales, those little bumps you see, they drew those. Scales are drawn on the fabric. The fabric is wrapped on the frame. So they put it over the frame, the bamboo frame. The splendid costume is ready. It is time for the dragon dance. A trained team holds the dragon up on poles. A man stands out in front with a ball on a stick. He will lead the dance. He moves the ball all around. The dragon will follow the ball. Drums can be heard on the street. The people holding the dragon stride, that means they're walking quickly, stride down the street. They push the poles up and down. The dragon's nose almost scrapes the street because they're moving it like this so that it looks real. Scrapes the street. More people strike drums and blow shrill horns. It is a fun, noisy party. What a thrilling way to ring in the Chinese New Year. And friends, you'll remember that we also celebrated the Chinese New Year by decorating our masks and doing a little march through the school. So once again, we're going to talk about a word, add ed for in the past and ing ending for present, and then I'm going to add the future, which is will. Okay, throb. So if it's in the past, we say throbbed. So ed means it's in the past. So if it's happening right now, it's throbbing. It's happening right now. And then in the future, will throb. Okay, let's do another one. Spray. Oh, they want us to do bunch. Okay, so if I made it in the past, I'd say sprayed. And then if I put it right now, I'd say spraying. And then if I put it in the future, I would say will spray. Okay, let's look at scrape. If I wanted in the past, I'd say scraped. I just add the d, but it does have a t sound. Okay, let me go back a little. If I want it to be happening right now, I'm going to cross off the e, add ing, scraping. Okay, now if it's going to happen in the future, we add will scrape. That's right, nice job. Okay, in the past, glued, happening right now, cross off the e, add ing, gluing, glue. Sometimes I have to write it down, gluing. It doesn't look quite right. One second. Spell gluing. Oh, yeah, that's right. It just looked different. So that is gluing. That's happening right now. Now let's do the future. So what would we do for the future? That's right. Will glue. Okay, the next word is splash. Let's put it in the past. Add ed, splashed. Even though it has the t sound again, it's still splashed. Okay, what if it's happening right now? Splashing. That's right. And last of all, in the future, will. That's right. Will splash. Okay, last one for right now. Trace. If I trace something, I'm copying it, writing it down. Okay, let's put it in the past. Now we don't have to add an e here because it already has an e. So traced would be in the past. Happening right now, cross off the e, add ing, tracing. And last of all, if it's in the future, that's right, will trace. Put the will in front. Okay, let's look at our high frequency words. Before, my name comes before your name in ABC order. Front, push the cart in front of you. Heard, had you heard that the plane will fly tomorrow? Push, push the cart in front of you. Tomorrow, had you heard that the plane will fly tomorrow? Your, my name comes before your name in ABC order. And last of all, we have been working on two pronouns, I and me. So I is used as the subject of a sentence. So that means if you're who you're talking about yourself, I, and then you'll have the verb after. But if you're talking about me, me is used after a verb and after words such as for, at, of, with, to, or between. So I'm going to read a sentence and I'd like you to tell me the pronoun. And actually, you'll tell me if I did it right. So you're going to put your thumb up or sideways. So, me like my new blue bedspread. No, I would not say me like, I would say I like. That's right. I like my new blue bedspread. My verb is like. My pronoun is first, so it would be I. Now let's listen to this one. My friend and me played 3 games. Does that sound right? My friend and me? No, because let's see, my friend and me. No, because the verb is after, so you'd put an I. So the pronoun is I, and the verb is after, so it's a subjective pronoun, I. Okay, see you tomorrow, everyone.